just want to talk to you about pensions and why I love them so much. There's loads of reasons, so I'm going to pick one reason today. If you pay into a pension, you get free money from the government. They basically give you the income tax you've already paid on that money back. So if you're paid £100 from your employer, depending on your tax rate, let's say you're a basic rate taxpayer, you actually only end up with about 80 quid in your pocket. If you paid that 80 quid back into a pension, you get 20 quid back. So you end up with £100 in your pension. It's one of the reasons why I love pensions. You can have your company pension and you can have a personal pension, both running alongside each other. You can have more than one pension at a time. The other good thing about having a company pension is because you're making contributions, your employer is making contributions as well. Sometimes, if you increase your contributions a little bit, they'll match that as well. So it's a bit like getting a bit of extra free money or a pay rise out of them. But the money goes into your pension, not in your pocket. So it is good to remember that. But like I say, the biggest reason why I love pensions is because of the tax that you get back. Now, there's a funny little bracket in income tax. If you earn over £100,000 a year, you start to pay a real hefty amount of tax on that. I'll do another video with the explanation as to why on that. But again, if you earn between £100,000 and £125,000 a year, that is definitely the place where we need to start making pension contributions to try and get some of that tax back. That's an effective tax bracket of 60%. Really important to look at this and paying into pensions and why they're so good. I love pensions. Honestly, they're so tax efficient. You get tax relief on the way in when you pay into them. You get tax-free growth, and 25% of the money that you've saved up in your pension comes back to you tax-free as well. They really are so good.